Hello, how are we doing? I'm Officer Douglas, Korea Police. The reason for the stop is you don't have a tag on your vehicle.
The driver starts by saying she doesn't contract with the state.
Okay.
She thinks that because she didn't sign a deal with the government, their laws don't apply to her.
Are you Moorish?
Yes, I am.
Okay. All right, do you have your travel document or what do you have? Okay. Where do you stay at? Valeria?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's your current address?
I Mile in Burrito.
Okay. Do you have anything with the VIN on the vehicle? No registration or anything like that?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I do have all my information right here.
Okay. Do you mind if I see that?
Yes. And I also have my it should be right there, all right there.
All right. Have you ever had an Ohio ID before?
I don't contract with the state of Ohio.
So have you ever had an Ohio ID before?
No, I don't contract with them.
Okay. All right, give me one second. 1606 to 1640. Yeah, this is a sovereign citizen. I don't know if you want to head up here. I'm sure they're going to request the boss at some point.
When the officer goes back to his squad car, you can catch a glimpse of what seemingly her Moorish government ID card looks like. And he tries to use the address on that card to find out more about this driver. The woman has some paperwork that she believes might help.
Yes, ma'am.
She shows the officer a right to travel paper. She believes this homemade document is a get-out-of-jail-free card that lets her drive without a license.
A right to travel.
What is your first name?
Asada.
Okay. And then your last name is Bay?
Yes, it is.
Okay. You said 23 Run Street?
That's my address on there. You can't just you can take that out of your pocket.
I'm not taking it, I'm just holding it so my hands are free.
Oh, so
Right.
I'm on my way somewhere that's very important.
Okay.
And you kind of holding me up.
Okay.
And I also do have a fee.
She brings up a fee schedule. She is telling the officers that if they keep her there, she is going to send them a bill for her time.
I'm bothered in my private mode of travel. So this is a notice of intent fee schedule. And so this is for any and everything that you may have you're going to pull me over for, or anything that you may keep me on the side of the road for.
It's called a fee schedule?
Yes, it is a fee schedule.
Okay, can I take a look at the first one on the fee schedule? Yeah. Okay. All right, we'll just hang tight, okay?
Well, listen.
What's up?
Can I have my ID back
Yeah, you're welcome to.
So I can go?
You're not free to leave.
Why?
Because you're being
Detained.
Yeah, it's a traffic stop. You're detained. You're not in handcuffs and anything like that. But
this is unlawful detainment.
It is not. Okay?
It is unlawful
I know you
detainment.
believe it is, but I've done this plenty of times.
Okay. Well, I also have the right to travel in my private
May I
mode
see
of
that?
transportation. It's my private mode of transportation.
May I see that? Here, you doing a trade? I'll give you this back.
No, I cannot.
Okay. All right. Well, just like I said, you're not free to go. Okay. So just hang out for 1 second. All right. What's up, Chief?
The officers are being very patient. They know she is following a script she found online, so they are just waiting for backup to arrive before they take action.
Law enforcement and bothered. Yeah, she just has no business with the state of Ohio, but she has allegedly an affidavit signed by the state of Ohio saying that she's allowed to travel.
It's showed to you?
I mean, yeah, kinda.
Who made it? I don't know. We got like 4 details. It probably looks bad. I was going to keep going, but nobody else got here, so I'm like, well, I don't know what to say.
Oh.
Suspended license.
I mean, we dealt with it in Cleveland. Usually everyone's fine until they have the automatic fingerprint at county.
Yeah.
So they would not identify, and then we get down there, and they would read the fingerprints and give us their name. But, I mean, that's such a,
And that's the problem. So it's going to be fun.
Just give me, I just want... All right, ma'am. You said... I'm sorry. Is that in Elyria?
Yes, it
okay.
is.
All right. What was your name before it was Bay?
My name is Asada L. Bay. That's all. The old name does not matter.
Okay.
So this is my name. This is my name, and this is filed with the Moorish National Network.
But that's not the state of Ohio. It's not a law enforcement agency.
And I'm talking about Supreme Court law. I'm not talking about state of Ohio. Supreme Court law. I am a Moorish national, and this is my travel card. I went through all the proper steps to get my travel card. I went through all the proper steps to put everybody on notice, and this is what it is.
So that's not a driver's license, okay?
It is my right to I don't have a driver's license because I do not contract with the state of Ohio for a driver's license. I do have a right to travel in my private mode of travel, and this is my private mode of travel. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just letting you know I have a right to be private. I live in the private, and this is how I can conduct my affairs. I don't contract with the state of Ohio with the driver's license. I don't contract with the state of Ohio for anything. I have a right to contract how I want because I live in the private. This is my travel card, and this is my Moorish American national name.
So you don't drive on any public streets or anything like that?
She argues that she isn't driving because she isn't doing business. She believes a license is only for people making money, like truck drivers or taxi drivers.
Type of business. I am going from point A to point B in my private mode of travel, and I'm not conducting any type of business. I'm not conducting any commerce that would need me to have a driver's license, and I have not committed a crime.
You have committed a crime.
I have not committed a crime.
You don't have any license plate.
She says her license plate is private, even though it looks official to her. The police see it as a fake plate that makes her car illegal to be on the street.
The Morse National Network, when it came with my ID, it's a private, what they have on eBay is not my business, it's not my concern. But this is a private vehicle, I'm not for hire, I'm not for contract, and I'm not conducting any type of commerce, sir.
I understand that you fully believe in all this, okay? And I respect that.
I know, it is not what I believe in, it's what I know that the Supreme Court law states that I have a right to travel just like I'm traveling. Supreme Court law says that, not me. I didn't say it, I didn't make it up. This is Supreme Court law. I have it right here in my thing. It's Supreme Court law. It's not something that I made up, it's just Supreme Court law.
Okay, and I fully understand that you believe that, okay?
No, it isn't what I believe, it's what the Supreme Court law states.
Ma'am, I'm telling you.
Okay.
She asks to speak to a boss, hoping they will let her go. She is caught off guard when she realizes she is already talking to the chief of police.
Right, but I'm not conducting commerce. I have it right here.
So he was able to find you. Thank you.
Will you provide me a good phone number for you? You don't have to. It's totally optional. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm giving you a ticket, okay? I'm saying and advising, City of Bree is advising you have to go to court for the ticket, okay? Now, you can go to court with all your documents, everything like that. You can prove your case. You can file the fees that you'd like against us and not against the court, okay?
Right.
I just have to advise you that you have to appear in court, okay? Your court date will be March 24th at 9 in the morning in Berea. By signing it, you're not admitting guilt.
I'm not signing it.
Okay. All right. So here's your copy, okay? There is the court date at the top on the inside. There's also a phone number and a website on the back, okay? Directly to the court.
Sure, under better.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It was good talking to you too. But I'm gonna come up there and possibly give you all this information if it's okay.
You can drop off to understand I don't have the right to tell you to travel without.
No, it's not about me giving me a right to travel. It's about me giving you the information that we are on file with the Department of Justice, so you can see that we are recognized with the United States.
But I guess just letting you know that if I don't respond formally doesn't mean I.
No, I'm going to bring it up there to you personally.
But I would like to see it.
No, I'm going to bring it to you personally, and I'm going to show you that we are recognized with the Department of Justice, which is a United States branch of office or whatever.
It is.
And we are recognized, and we also have a Department of Justice file number that we're under. So I just want you to see that we are recognized, and this isn't just a load of BS.
No, I'm respecting you. We have to work within the confines.
Oh, it's fine. I just wanted to let you know that
I appreciate it. Again, I wish I had been able to talk to you under different circumstances.
It's okay.
Because again, I'm fascinated by all this.
Right.
I didn't
you
know.
also have a right to live in a private as well.
I did not know about
Is your copy in the box?
Yeah, it's pretty infringement and peace. Let me call you back this guy. All right, well, thank you guys. Have a blessed day.
Thank you as well. Drive safely.
Let me lock my door.
Okay, hold on.
Everything changes here once the officer reaches for her. She stops the calm lawyer talk and starts shouting. She realizes her special words aren't stopping the arrest.
I have to call my mother.
Okay.
Chris, come on.
You never got a plate for the car either, right?
No, and I'm not. It's not registered.
You're not driving, you're traveling, same thing
I'm
as last time.
traveling, yes. You know that.
Okay.
You know that.
You can't have stuff in the back seat, okay?
This is mine.
Okay. I'm not going anywhere with it. You just can't have it on you. Simple as that.
So I can't have my debit card either?
Yes, no, I can get everything for you. You just can't have it in the back seat.
Why can't I have my keys?
Because you can't have anything in the
Okay,
back
but I don't want you touching my keys.
That's fine, but you can't have it.
Okay, but I need to call my mom so she can come pick me up.
Well, you're not gonna...
The driver is genuinely confused when the officer says she is going to jail. She really believed her papers made her untouchable.
Off me.
Ma'am, you never laughed, okay?
No, you need to get the off me.
Okay.
You know well I ain't in your jurisdiction. You just want to with me.
What jurisdiction do we have?
I'm not in your jurisdiction.
Are you in the city of Berea?
You're not even supposed to be touching me.
You're in the city of Berea.
By the end, we find out the state dropped the charges. This usually happens because the person files so much confusing paperwork that the court decides it's not worth the time and money to keep the case going.
Charges.